Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries, fire sign. So this is January weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So Aries, let's see your messages and what is coming for you. So what are the messages for Aries? What are the messages for Aries? Yeah, I think you are not talking to your person right now in relationship wise because you are undergoing some spiritual awakening. Yeah, the person involved in this connection could be Virgo. Yeah, you are undergoing spiritual awakening. Wow. So let's see your reading. Maybe it could be your person also. Energy could be vice versa. In recent past, the Tower, High Priestess and Nine of Wands. I think there is some Tower moment, maybe the separation or no contact between you and your person. Yeah, I think you are guarded up right now. Nine of Wands. It could be you or your person. I think it's you. And High Priestess, you are listening to higher self. What I'm seeing here, you are protecting your heart, your emotions. You are going through so much. Yeah, the Tower moment and the Hermit. Definitely, I think this time you have to be alone. Yeah, you are feeling very alone and you are undergoing some transformation. Yeah, and right now, Eight of Wands, Two of Swords, the Strength. Yeah, I think the Strength card, you overcome this trauma or transformation or whatever you are going through, you overcome and stand by your power, because after the transformation definitely there is positive is coming in your way, and strength, definitely there is some you are at some crossroads in recent past. Maybe you are not you have to make some decision but you don't know which decision you have to make, because Two of Swords, definitely you are blindfolded, you don't know which decision you have to make. And Eight of Wands, there will be a lot of communication between you and your person, and there is some positive moment also in your life. uh, but you overcome all this Tower moment and transformation. Now you got your strength back, you stand by your power, you are very grounded. Aries, I think the person involved in this connection could be Cancer or Leo. And in near future, Four of Cups, Chariot and Two of Wands. Yeah, someone is want to take this relationship to next level. Maybe someone feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you, or you are maybe feeling sad for the missed opportunity with your person. But Chariot with Two of Wands, I think you are also thinking about them a lot. I think you started moving forward in life, even though they are with you or without you, even though you are with that person or without that person. Sorry, you decided to move on. Yeah, because the Chariot, even though it is slow moving energy, you decided, but you are thinking about them a lot, and this could be long distance relationship also, and they also may be thinking about you. Yeah, you are sad but you are moving on, what I'm seeing here. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of fire energy: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Leo, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. Aries, your person current feelings. Three of Pentacles, Princess of Swords, Seven of Cups. Maybe they are in some confusion. Maybe your person have options also. But Three of Pentacles with Princess of Swords. Yeah, they want to work on this relationship. They want partnership with you. They want collaboration with you. They are thinking about to come back. If you are in separation. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. Yeah. Princess of Swords, they may be spying on you on social media. Yeah. And Seven of Cups, maybe they are fantasizing about you a lot. For some your person may be having other options also. Let's see your person near future actions towards you. Yeah, 5 of Pentacles, separation, 10 of Cups, Hermit. I think you also undergoing some transformation. I think your person also undergoing some transformation right now because the Hermit is here. I think you both are not talking with each other. And 5 of Pentacles, definitely they are suffering in silence. 10 of Cups, yeah, they want this happiness with you. They are missing you. They are suffering in silence. They are missing you. They want this happiness with you and they want to offer this happiness to you. They are also undergoing some transformation. They are also feeling alone without you. Yeah. They are alone right now. They are thinking about you a lot. Some transformation in your person also. The person involved in this connection could be Virgo also. I think it's your person, maybe transformation undergoing, because under the deck it's Virgo. I think it's your person. If it is not you, 100% it's your person, because they are suffering in silence. They're feeling alone. They're very sad without you. They want partnership with you. What I'm saying, they want this 10 of Cups happiness with you. Yeah. So let's see some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or especially Virgo. I want one more card. Yeah. Some cards are in reverse. Okay, Knight of Swords. 5 of Swords. I want one more card. See, King, 8 of Cups. Separation. I think you maybe walked away from your person, Aries. Maybe your person walked away. If it is your person, definitely they are feeling regret for that. So what I'm seeing here, you both are very passionate about each other because King of Wands and Queen of Wands is here. You both are very powerful couple. See, there is a lot of passion involved. And yeah, I think your person has strong emotions for you. They're waiting for right time to approach you, what I'm seeing here. And yeah, they're rushing. When the time will come, definitely they will rushing towards you. 5 of Swords, definitely they did something to you. There are some misunderstandings and differences between both of you. Yeah, they want to end this fighting with you. But you stand by your power. I think you both are very strong couple, even though you both have some ego. But your person will take first move because they are missing you so much. They are suffering in silence. Yeah, they are feeling alone without you, what I'm seeing here. They are waiting for the right time to approach you. Because 3 of Pentacles is there, Wheel of Fortune and Queen of Cups is there. Definitely they have strong emotions for you, Aries. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Four of Pentacles, Judgment, 7 of Swords, 2 of Cups. You have emotions for your person still, and 2 of Cups, definitely both could be soulmates also, but 7 of Swords, definitely they lied to you something, they did wrong in past. That's why there is separation. Maybe you walked away. Judgment, but it's decision time. You have to make some major decision. I think you are holding back, what I'm seeing here. You are holding back. Even though they are coming back, I think you are holding back. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Aries. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Ace of Wands, 2 of Wands, Queen, King, Knight of Cups, Hanged Woman. Definitely they are thinking about you a lot. They have strong emotions for you. There is love. They are thinking about you a lot. And Ace of Wands, they want passionate new beginnings. Yeah, there is a lot of passion is there between both of you. So let's see some more messages from Moon Oracle deck. They're missing you so much. One thing is clear, and they're suffering in silence. They want 10 of Cups happiness with you. They have strong emotions for you. When the right time will come, definitely they will rush towards you. Yeah, because right now your person feeling very alone. Step out of your comfort zone. I think it's time to walk hard towards your goals if you have any goals. And yeah, you have to work step out of your comfort zone. Yeah, if you want reconciliation, if you want anything, any upgrade in your life, it is the time to work hard, what I'm getting here. So this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.